Good morning. You see a little bit of snow up here in the top of the mountains. And we are in Haines, Alaska this morning. And this is the bad side of the, well, I mean, it's the bad side of the ship. I mean, it's just that you can't really see a whole lot. So we'll go over on the other side here shortly and show you that. Not too cold. I'd say maybe in the high 40s, but still not that bad. I'm out here in a t-shirt and really not cold, but still beautiful. That mountain was covered in clouds a minute ago. You couldn't even see it. Hi, babe. Where are we going?
We're going to breakfast. It's 8 o'clock, and we're excited about our day here in Alaska, Haines, Alaska.
I want to show y'all something. Look at the door. It's weird.
That's so weird.
I don't know. Anyway, so we're here at deck 2. We're going to breakfast, and then we'll go outside and give you some views of Haines,
beautiful here,
Alaska.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Here you got her oatmeal. And I got me some more baby cereal to start for breakfast. 3 eggs over easy and a half a sandwich. We forgot.
Oh, God.
We ate it before we took the picture.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Here we are in Haines, Alaska.
Yeah.
As you can see, I'm wearing a t-shirt. It's a little uncomfortable, but not really bad. But it doesn't get more better.
He's not going to wear that outside today walking around.
I am right now.
It's cold. It's 44 degrees.
Yeah, 44 degrees.
But the sun is out.
But it don't feel like it. It
the
really
sun's
doesn't.
out, very pretty.
Yep, it is.
Very nice.
I'd show you, but it won't show. All right, so anyways, as you saw, I just showed you a little bit of
the mountains are beautiful.
And the mountains are beautiful because I like snow-covered mountains. So anyway, all right, so we're going to go down. We're not sure what we're going to do here yet. We didn't book an excursion here.
We'll find something.
And as you saw in the video, it doesn't look like there's a whole lot to do in the port. But then tomorrow, we'll be at the glaciers.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll bring you today. And we'll head down right now. Say bye.
Bye.
When you get off here, you get off deck 3. And then you go down this dock. Kind of weird.
You already have it. Oh, now the sun feels good.
small town, they put everything together. Fire danger is low. Fire department, police department, all in the same building.
For bears, huh?
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go back here. See if we can't find us a bear.
No kidding.
No camping.
Roll back into this container.
All right, so we know one's in here, but I always heard the joke was, does a bear poop in the woods? But he does poop on the trail. As we've told you, we're out in the middle of the woods.
We're in the wilderness.
Remember we've always told you,
Alaska.
like, don't stay in the port where all the people are at. Get off the beaten trail path.
No, we're on
How do you say that? A beaten trail or a
We're in the
beaten
beaten
path? There you
path.
go, the beaten path.
Are you
Sorry.
been drinking?
Nope, I have not.
We haven't. It's early.
We're
But
literally
it's beautiful in this trail.
On the beaten path.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go find a bear.
Bye.
Bye. In the beaten path, off the beaten path. I did it again. All right. I told you folks, one chromosome away from being an idiot.
Hey.
That's me, not you. She's a half. All right, shh. Bear. Bear. A tree.
I hope you don't come out.
Shaped like a bear. All right, so here we are in Haines, Alaska. T-shirts. It's 40-some degrees, but it doesn't feel like it at all.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
All right. Bye-bye.
They call this cold. It's actually a pretty big school
Actually.
for such a little tiny town where they only got 9 cops for the whole town. This is the mountain market. We're gonna go in here and get a drinky, as in a soda or something. All right. All right, so this is the Bald Eagle Foundation. They said there's some live ones in here. So we're gonna go check it out. When you get up here, when you get on the little bus and ride around, they'll say you can go down here to see the Bald Eagle Foundation, but they forget to tell you that it's 25 bucks a person to see eagles in a cage and an owl that we couldn't find. All right, we're gonna go take in Fort Seward. See what it's like. All right, I don't know what's going on, but there's a dragon walking up the street.
Now you can't see him.
Yeah, of course. There's the dragon. I don't know what he's doing. He's walking up the street. Or the dog's walking a dragon. I don't know. All right, when you're in Alaska, you know what you got to do? Got to get you some salmon, baby.
We can read that sign.
So this is Fort Seward. All right, so this is the actual, what's left of the actual fort. It's just right up the street from the cruise ship, as you can see. Oh look, she's gonna get hurt. I can see it coming. That's pretty much it, folks. Fort Seward. Oh, they left a cannon. Pointed right at us. That's wrong. You ask the locals, they're going to say, where's a good place to get smoked salmon? And they're going to say, this place here, Dijon Delights. But they don't really sell like fresh salmon. It's packaged salmon. So this place here has smoked salmon, and it looked really, really good, but she kind of said, oh, I'll be back in 15 minutes. I got to take my dog somewhere. Well, it's been a half hour. We're leaving. Alright, so if you're gonna book an Alaskan cruise and it comes to Haines, make sure that you book an excursion, because there is absolutely nothing else to do here but walk around a little bit of the town that they have, and it's very little. Other than that, that's pretty much all there is to do. So make sure that you book an excursion, because this is what the port looks like when you get here. I mean, this is pretty much everything you see. There is no shops. There's a couple of little itty-bitty shops, like that right there is just a little shop. And then if you want to go into town, you got to go on the other side of those trees there. You can walk to it in about 15 minutes, or you can take they have a shuttle bus that goes around the entire time, about every 15 minutes. But other than that, there's pretty much nothing left to do. Now, someone said you can actually take a ferry over to Skagway, but we never saw that advertised for us. And we don't leave here till 7:30, and we got here at 7 this morning. So we're here a little over 12 hours. All right, just a little bit of tidbit of information for you. Again, nothing to do here in Haines. Here's another little fun fact for you. When you go to Juneau, you pay taxes when you get even your free drinks. And then here in Haines, no taxes, still Alaska. And then tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, in Ketchikan, they said you pay taxes. Beats me. Hey, where are we going?
We're here at the comedy show.
Who's the comedy?
We don't know.
Comedians.
We don't know.
We don't know.
We'll
they didn't list them. They just said 2 comedians. We don't know which ones they are.
Hopefully they're good. Let's see.
And we're in the big theater, so.
Yeah. It'll be good.
Good evening. Haines, when you come here, make sure you book an excursion, because there's really nothing to do, as I showed you in the video. Anyway, tomorrow we're going to Icy Strait. It's Tracy Ford, which is the glacier. And we'll bring that to you in the morning, because it's going to be cold.
It's going to be cold.
Icy.
Yeah, that day, the only thing we did in Haines was walk about 5 or 6 miles all around the little town. We didn't really get to see a whole lot, but I mean, the mountains and everything was pretty, but it really wasn't. I wouldn't really pick this as a stop.
Nope. If it comes here again. Now, from what we heard, you can actually take a shuttle over to Skagway, which is just north of here.
Yeah.
So, if we ever came back, that's what we would do, is go up to Skagway, if our ship didn't go to Skagway.
Right.
So,
right.
All right, so we're going to shock you tonight. No chocolate martini. We're back to old school for tonight. Hot chocolate. And we drink it because it's cold and it's good. Now, the hot chocolate's warm.
Yeah, but
it's cold now.
outside.
It got cold really tonight for some reason, but I guess because we're in Alaska. I don't know.
Maybe.
It could be. All right. But anyway, thanks a lot. We'll see you in the morning.
Bye.
Say bye.
No, I said good night.
Okay, good night.